Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. As you can see here guys, it's my TCl TV and we were just watching YouTube and all of a sudden the audio was gone. Um, the TV itself has lost audio or had lost audio, and this is how I fixed it. Alright, so of course it's a TCL TV. Now one thing you gotta bear in mind that when the audio can stop for various reasons. I'm gonna show you exactly what happened in our case. So the volume was gone on YouTube, and then of course every other app was the TV volume in general was gone, so there was no sound. Anything we played, it would get no sound or no audio. So the first thing I wanted to do, guys, if you're having that problem, is what we did. We simply turned off the TV. So go ahead and power off the TV, and of course this is going to refresh the TV's system to restore the sound. It's a good idea as well to unplug it from the wall, wait about 10 seconds, then you're gonna turn the TV back on. Alright, so this is a good practice because it allows the system to refresh. Sometimes there are errors, and something such as sound might simply stop working because the TV has an error. So go ahead guys and turn the TV back on. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so the TV is booting up, and of course in our case, once we did that, the sound was restored, and that was just now. So as soon as everything loaded again, a refresh, the TV was able to work again. Other things I've seen as well that can cause the problem is, for example, go ahead and press volume. For example, up, you'll notice there's a speaker at the bottom of the volume, indicating that's the TV speakers. If you press volume and you're seeing nothing, or you're seeing Bluetooth or a Bluetooth symbol, it means that the TV is possibly connected to a Bluetooth speaker, soundbar, or a or wireless headset or earphones. So in that case, it's a good idea to go to Bluetooth and either turn off that device or find the device in question that's the sound is being sent to. That's why you don't have any sound, and actually turn off that Bluetooth headset that's taking the sound, or switch output devices from the Bluetooth device to your speakers. Alright, so that's the other thing that can cause the sound to stop working. Next, make sure the volume is high enough. For example, turn the volume up, especially for some media, it's very low. You can also, alright, so in terms of sound, go to settings. Could be as well as I was showing you the Bluetooth. So for the Bluetooth, you can go to accessories, and you can, for remote and accessories, in case it's something that's causing appearing and taking the sound, you can turn off Bluetooth temporarily and check to see if the sound is okay. You can always turn this on later. You can also go to display and sound, and you can check your sound to make sure your sound is okay. So you can make sure that there's no delay or stuff that's messing with the sound. So check your sound settings to make sure they're alright. So as you can see here, these are the usual option. So make sure there's nothing off in the sound settings that might be messing with the sound. So for example, here you see all the presets here. You can always reset them to restore the defaults. Alright, so check all of these are specialized features that enhance sound. So make sure that all of those are okay, and if all of those fails, you can always reset the TV in the worst cases, but that should be a last resort. Hope that was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.